Welcome to the unboxing of Wipro 16 ampere smart plug. I have purchased this product for 999 rupees from Amazon. There is also 10 amperes smart plug. I will be reviewing that soon. And in the box you will get this leaflet, just some random instructions. It's you will get this symbol box and nothing else. Here you can see the price is 4190. Okay, let's plug it. For setting up, you have to download the Wipro app and sign into our account. I have already set up the Wipro. So press on that, then press on that Wi-Fi socket, then press on the power button on the smart plug. So when you press this power button for 5 seconds, it starts blinking. Then press confirm, then sign into your Wi-Fi network, then continue. Then press done. So the setup is complete. Now we can set up Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa with this Wipro smart plug. As you can see, it is controlled by Wi-Fi, and here you can see the consumption. So let's set up Google Assistant. So open Google Home app, then press on the plus icon and set up devices. Press on this button and search for Wipro, and you have to log into this. I have already set up this, so devices which comes under Wipro will automatically comes here. As you can see, the smart plug is mentioned here. You can also change the smart plug name. I will be changing it to AC because I am using this to control the AC. So we can control this using Google Assistant. Let us also set up in Alexa. It is process similar here. Here you have to add Wipro in the skill. So in the skill, search for Wipro Smart. Add the Wipro skill and log into your Wipro account. Once the account is added, you can see the device in the device list. You can also control using this. I have set up this smart 16 ampere plug with my AC. Now first we can try Google Assistant. Turn on AC. Turn off AC. Let us also try this with Alexa.
Alexa, turn on AC.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off AC.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on AC.
Okay.
As you can see, we can set timer, countdown, then consumption rate. So here we can see the consumption rate. As you can see, you can directly see the consumption rate here.
You can also control this using Siri, but I didn't find this Wipro in Apple HomeKit, so I am using the Siri shortcut, which will trigger Google Assistant to turn on the AC. So you just have to make some Siri shortcuts to control this, so that Siri will use the Google Assistant to turn on and turn off the AC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.